Care is consciousness of the soul. Care reveals our beliefs and actions. Care is valuing our society and resources. Care makes the world a better place. Care is the foundation of Cera's brand philosophy. Care is Cera. Cera is care. Today's new paradigm of working and living in harmony with society and nature has been a long-standing practice at Cera. Since its inception over 3 decades ago, Cera has been seamlessly connecting innovation, style, environment, and corporate social responsibility for the community it operates in. Cera's deep-rooted care for consumers who prefer a contemporary yet sustainable lifestyle guides it to innovate comfortable and eco-friendly products. It was Mr. Vidush Somani's vision to turn Cera into a complete home solutions provider. In the sanitary ware category, Cera offers a wide range of EWCs with advanced technological features. Cera has an aesthetically appealing range of thin rim wash basins and color wash basins. Through a strategic alliance with Isvia, Cera has exclusively launched luxurious sanitary ware crafted by eminent Italian designers. Cera's premium products in the wellness and lifestyle range redefine the meaning of luxury. Avant-garde collections of elegant faucets are designed with style and expertise. The most exclusive range of glazed vitrified tiles is manufactured in Cera's own tile plant at Andhra Pradesh. Driven by uniqueness, originality, affordability, suitability, and adaptability, Cera has achieved many firsts. Cera's care for its customers' needs manifests itself through implementation of unique concepts like the Style Studios and Style Galleries. Currently operational in 9 major cities of India, Cera Style Studios showcase Cera's entire range and help the customer make an informed decision. In other locations, Style Galleries connect Cera with an ever-increasing number of consumers. The Cera Style Studio on wheels is a fascinating idea that brings Cera's products in a mobile van to doorsteps, saving the precious time of architects, interior designers, and builders. All this is backed by a strong team of technicians and prompt after-sales service. Cera's concept of care extends to maintaining the highest standards of quality for its customers. Cera's state-of-the-art sanitary ware manufacturing plant in Kadi is also India's largest plant under one roof. Cera's fully automated faucetware plant is well equipped with the latest technology. The technological upgradations in the manufacturing process ensure that Cera's customers receive a perfect finished product. At Cera, the deeply ingrained philosophy of care goes beyond providing excellent products to provide holistic solutions to our customers' needs. Cera Home Upgrade offers customized and appealing space renovation.
We at Cera constantly strive to achieve a healthy balance between our economic and societal values.
Cera believes in balanced and sustainable growth. Hence, the minimum wastage of resources, recycling, and environmental preservation are accorded utmost importance at Cera. Over the years, Cera has designed an extensive range of green certified and eco-friendly products. Cera's care for the planet and commitment towards ecological preservation is carried over to its highly advanced, state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. Cera was the first to use natural gas-based, energy-efficient kilns, captive power from wind turbine generators, and a rooftop solar power generation plant, help in reducing the carbon footprint. All these initiatives are possible due to the passion of the Cera family. Being an industry aggregator, Cera is the preferred sanitary ware partner for several prestigious industry bodies. Commitment from various stakeholders, employees and trade partners has resulted in Cera's exemplary performance being awarded with numerous excellence awards. Without a sense of caring, there can be no sense of community. Cera realizes that the capacity to care gives life its deepest significance.
Cera's care philosophy is committed to all stakeholders. This includes the society at large and the environment.
Cera's care philosophy shall continue to nurture society and the environment, bequeathing a sustainable planet to Gen Next. After all, care is Cera. Cera is care. Cera reflects my style.